Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some blueberry muffins, and this is a sponsored video with Olive Nation. They have some great products, guys. They have a wide selection of baking, beverage, and food flavorings. They're basically a wholesale supplier with top quality ingredients for restaurants, breweries, bakery needs. I mean, if you're all you bakers out there, if you're like me, you're always searching for something and you know you're not going to be able to find it in your local grocery stores or but this the Olive Nation, please try their site. Go to their site and check them out because they got some awesome extracts, fruits, spices. I mean, you'd be surprised the stuff they have that you can't find anywhere else. And I rehydrated the blueberries so we could put them in the muffins, and boy, did they plump up pretty. Look at there. Beautiful blueberries, and they're nice and sweet. Delicious. But you guys go check them out. Like I said, if you're a baker and you make your frostings for your cakes and flavorings for your cakes, cocos, chocolates, they have all of it. Go check them out, guys, okay? All right, here we go. And I'm going to drop that link in my description box. So you guys, if you're interested, like I said, if you're a baker, you're going to love their site because they got a lot of good stuff. All right. Now, I plumped these up. I just poured some hot water over them. Let them steep in the hot water for about 20 minutes, and then I strained them and patted them well. Get all that water off of them, okay? Here in my bowl, I have 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we are gonna mix this up with our beater for about 4 minutes till it gets nice and pale looking. But I know you guys don't want to sit here and see me beat with this loud beater here, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and I'm gonna beat it up for about 4 minutes till it's nice and frothy and pale. Okay, I beat that up for 4 minutes. You could see how pale that got. And to that, I'm gonna be adding in a half a cup of canola oil, 1 cup of full fat sour cream, yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. And we're gonna put a teaspoon and a half of our Olive Nation blueberry extract. This stuff smells amazing. That's 1.5 teaspoons. And we're just going to mix this up just till combined it. Just until it's combined it. That sour cream and oil all mixed up in there. All right. Okay. Whoop. Now I'm going to move this back over here out of the way. That there. Now over here, I'm going to be adding, get this out of the way. Okay. To my flour, I forgot my whisk. To my flour, I have 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And go ahead and preheat your oven. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. Can you see there? I apologize. And we're just going to mix this up. Just until it's mixed. Get everything worked in there nice. Okay. Now I'm going to get me a spoon over here. I'm going to add our flour to our wet. Little bit at a time, and then just kind of move it around in there. You do not want to overmix. We don't want to do that. Just until it comes together. And we'll get our nice plump blueberries in there. Okay, we'll add the rest. And get you a muffin pan with some why do I always forget the name of these muffin papers? Get you those there. Let me get this out of the way. Well, we'll bring this back. So line that up with your 12 muffin papers there. Okay. That's good. Now, I'm going to add in my rehydrated blueberries. And that is 1 1/4 cups. And I saved some. I like to drop some up on the top of the muffin. That way it tells everybody what they're eating. And get this. Try not to stir it. Just kind of fold it in on itself. And you're going to fill each muffin cup, you're going to fill maybe 3/4 of the way. Not all the way, because you don't want them folding over on one another. Okay, let me get my muffin tin over here. Mix smells so good. You can really smell them blueberries and that yummy smelling extract. If you're a baker and you do a lot of blueberry stuff, that stuff's good stuff. But like I said, I'm just gonna fill these 3/4 of the way full. If you have a little bit left, start you another pan up or something. Don't overfill them. But I'm going to get these filled. I'm going to pop them in the oven, and I'll let you know how long they baked. 375 preheated. Right before I put them in the oven, I forgot I wanted, with my leftover blueberries that were in the bag, after I used my 1 1/4 cups, I like to take the rest that's left in the bag, like I said, and put them right on top. Just like that. Drop them on there. And I still have some more over here that I got. Maybe another 4 muffins or so I'll have to bake up with my leftover. Okay. In the oven they go at 375. Okay, they're all done. Mine baked just about almost 30 minutes. Now, ovens vary, as I say. Keep an eye on them, toothpick in them. They come out clean, they're done. Just don't overbake them. And if you want them really brown, just turn your broiler on and keep an eye on them. But there they are. And I'm going to have one, my favorite way of eating these. I think I got four more in the oven. Baking up. So I got that. I think I got like 16. I took my wrapper off and I put my butter on it, and I have me a hot cup of coffee with that. Y'all are going to taste this with me. They're hot. Those are so good. So good. Tastes like a bakery blueberry muffin. But you guys give them a try. And as I said, this is a sponsored video for Olive Nation. Terrific products, guys. Check them out. I'm going to leave their link in my description box. Please like and subscribe as always. It helps my channel. Until next time, you guys stay blessed and make you up a delicious batch of these muffins. They are delicious. Stay safe, you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.